I'm happy. What a peculiar thing to be. Somewhere between calmness and ecstasy. Oh, I'm happy with the mountains surrounding me, a quiet breeze in the air and trees as far as I can see. I wanted to stay there long, where nothing could go wrong, but I could feel my feet carry me away from where I'm happy. As hard as that may seem, nothing could weigh me down, and I had everything that I need. I used to be happy and calm and carefree. Now I feel the pressure that never stops pressing down on me. I wanted to stay there long, oh, I wanted to stay there forever, but I could feel my feet carry me away from where I'm happy. If I just worried a little less and cleaned up the mess of caring too much, I could be happy. If I just thought about you less, there's so much that I miss, and I get stuck like that. I wanted to stay